What we do here is go back.
Where's Dilley? Yeah, where's Dilley? I see you right there. Yeah, I see you. Where's Dilley? You're a good boy. You're the best doggy ever, huh? Look at that tail wagging. You're the best. Crack out. What I think about manifests. My thoughts are powerful. When I turn puzzles into a game, life is never dull. Intuition and inspiration will soon rule the day. I'm excited for the experience, adaptable and ready to play. So please share your energy and I'll share mine, co-creating infinite possibilities in this illusion of time. Always full appreciation, peace and love is my pride. Nah, there's no hustle needed, only joy from the inside. What's up? What's going on? Jace Jacobs here. Oh, yeah, I just got up from a little bit of a nap. Oh, I got a little bit of sleepy eye going on. Hey, where's Dilley at? Where's Dilley? Come here, buddy. Come here. Where are you? Come here, buddy. Hey, you want to say hi? Hey, you're good? You want to say hi to YouTube? You want to say hi to YouTube? Yeah? You're a talker, aren't you? Yeah, that's my DOG. All right. Well, I was going to say something witty and cool and whatever, but I think I lost everything I was going to say. We just had a Dilley showing. So, all right. I'm gonna just say that I love you, I appreciate you, and we'll catch you another time, right? I'm Jace Jacobs, appreciate everything, love fully, need nothing, right, Dilley? Yeah. High five, knuckles. Later.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.